Join me as I dive into the chaos of natural disasters and challenge myself to find the best coping strategies to get through it. When a natural disaster strikes, it's not just about physical survival. It's about being prepared emotionally and mentally, which is often overlooked. The aftermath can be just as devastating as the disaster itself, if not more. And it's crucial that we're equipped with the right coping strategies to get through it, together as a community. The emotional toll of a natural disaster can be overwhelming and all-consuming. Anxiety and stress can become constant companions, making it hard to sleep, eat, or even function normally. The sense of loss can be debilitating, whether it's the loss of a loved one, a home, or a community that once felt safe. It's like being stuck in a never-ending nightmare, with no clear end in sight and no escape. The trauma can be so intense that it's hard to conceive of a future without the weight of the disaster looming over us constantly. And then there's the guilt, the shame, the what-ifs that can haunt us for years to come, making recovery even harder. The emotional aftermath can also manifest physically, affecting our bodies in unexpected ways. Many people experience headaches, body aches, and chronic pain that seem to have no end. Others may struggle with depression, substance abuse, or even suicidal thoughts, feeling utterly hopeless. It's a heavy burden to carry, and it's no wonder that many people feel like they're drowning in their emotions, unable to find relief. But here's the thing. We're not alone in this journey. There are people who care deeply, who understand our struggles, and who genuinely want to help us through these tough times. And it's perfectly okay to ask for that help, to seek support from loved ones, friends, or even strangers who've been through similar experiences and can relate. So, what are some effective coping strategies that can help us navigate the emotional chaos and turmoil of a natural disaster? One crucial step is to seek support from loved ones, friends, or a mental health professional who can provide guidance. Talking through our emotions can be incredibly therapeutic, and it's essential to have a strong support system in place. Another vital strategy is self-care, which is often overlooked but extremely important. This can be as simple as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or going for a walk in nature. Anything that brings us peace, comfort, and a sense of control over our lives. Community resources are also vital and should not be underestimated. Local organizations, nonprofits, and government agencies often provide essential services, from food and shelter to counseling and financial assistance, which can be life-saving. It's essential to tap into these resources, to take full advantage of the help that's available to us. And let's not forget about the power of community itself, the neighbors who come together to rebuild, the strangers who become friends in the face of adversity, and the collective strength that emerges. I want to share a powerful story that resonated with me. A woman named Sophia lived through Hurricane Katrina, and she lost everything: her home, her business, and even her sense of identity. But instead of letting the disaster define her, she channeled her energy into helping others. She started a nonprofit that provided mental health services to survivors, and her organization grew into a beacon of hope for the entire community. Sophia's story is a testament to the human spirit, a reminder that even in the darkest moments, there's always a way forward. Let's explore some additional coping strategies that can help us navigate the emotional chaos of natural disasters. One effective method is mindfulness meditation. This practice involves focusing on the present moment and accepting it without judgment. It can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Another strategy is to engage in physical activities, such as yoga or exercise, which can boost our mood and overall well-being. Additionally, creative outlets like writing, painting, or playing music can provide a therapeutic release for our emotions. Remember, it's important to find what works best for you and to be kind to yourself during the recovery process. Together, we can build resilience and find strength in the face of adversity. In the face of natural disasters, it's easy to feel helpless and overwhelmed. But Sophia's story shows us that we're not powerless in these situations. We have the power to choose how we respond, to seek help, to support each other, and to rebuild our communities. And that's exactly what we need to do, to hold on to hope and resilience, to focus on the present moment and stay grounded, and to take things one step at a time, no matter how small. In conclusion, coping with natural disasters requires a multifaceted approach. It's about seeking support, practicing self-care, utilizing community resources, and holding on to hope. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and there is support available. Thanks for watching and being part of this community. And if you've got a coping strategy that's worked for you, please share it in the comments below to help others. And if you want to learn more about emergency preparedness and safety tips, be sure to check out our next video for more information.